Are you on him?
Hey everybody, it's Saturday, September 13th. Just got down here to Missouri, Terry and I. Season opens in 2 days, so we're going to fly in here, check out our trail cameras and pull the cards and go back and set up camp and check them out. Just rained about, I think about 11 inches or so. Some folks I know from this county south of us last week, at Tuesday I believe. More than likely the creeks are going to be messy, going to be swampy, but